You're busy dissecting hard disks, figuring out how the data is stored, and how did this big platter get into a drive this small, and then suddenly your wife comes and tells you, I need a new refill for my pen. For this fancy ass Swarovski pen, which I have no idea where to get a refill for. Do it for me now. So given that expectation, obviously it's up to you to now solve the problem. So here you have a very nice, beautiful Swarovski pen, and you now need to figure out where to get the refill from. That's a simple ballpoint refill, I'm assuming. So let me just take it apart and let's see how we change the refill on this Swarovski pen. Wow, that's half the pen. How big is the refill in this pen? Whoa! I'm assuming we're talking about writing half a line of content before this runs out, or maybe a signature or two. This is crazy. Alright, let me see. Alright, let me see how we can do this. The best place to get a Swarovski pen refill is in the Swarovski store near you. Or you can go online and order a Swarovski refill or a set of Swarovski refills. Usually they're available for about $1,200 a pack of 5. We managed to get this one at the nearest Swarovski store for about 360 Indian rupees. Now you will notice that there's a difference between this refill and the refill we bought. It obviously has a difference in the head. Now, the simplest way is to hold the base and then turn the head, and yes, that comes off, right? Take the new refill, twist it in. There you have it. Perfect. Now we take the base, the front of the pen again, slide it in, twist it. It's a perfect fit for a refill. Right, let's grab a piece of paper and see if it works before we put the rest of the pen in. There you have it. It's half a pen or quarter a pen. Let me see if it writes there. Yes, it works. So let's put the rest of the pen in and see if it still looks as fancy as it's supposed to. There you go, a perfectly good Swarovski pen.